Hey guys, this is an HP Officejet Pro 6978 printer. I just wanted to show you how to do the reset on this printer. This is going to work for a lot of printers of this same 2016, 2018, 19 printers that have a touch sensitive display control panel and display. So what we're going to do is this arrow, return arrow right here that we saw in the other video that I just did. So we're just going to press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to see support menu. The support menu lets you go through a lot of things, just seeing like information of how many pages printed, your serial, model number, and everything like that. And we need reset menu right here. We're going to press OK. And we want to do the semi-full if you want to just reset the printer to factory settings. So we're going to press OK. The printer will turn off. Wait a few minutes or a few seconds before you turn it back on, and then it's going to just ask you just standard questions that you had. It's not going to make you do it's not going to make you put in the setup cartridges. So it's just going to ask for the country, the language that you want. You're going to confirm time and everything like that. So here, I'll just turn the printer back on and show you what it does. So here we go. We're going to select English in my case, confirm. I'm in the United States, confirm. Then we're going to confirm the date and time. Looks about right, just an hour. And then we're going to do the continue setup. My ink cartridges are getting low. So it's going to ask for an alignment. They can also skip, but it's best to do it because it's just going to keep on popping up. But anyway, this is how you reset the printer. This is going to work for a lot of similar models. 6978 and 6962 are pretty much same printers, but different color. So and there's many other ones that use HP Envy printers, also use the same procedure in order to reset it. So please like this video if we were able to guide you in the right direction. Subscribe to our channel and have a wonderful day. Thank you.